What's up, guys? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Today we're talking about a cryptocurrency that's near and dear to my heart. We're going to talk about Ravencoin. Stick around. We've got a lot to talk about. Alright guys, let's get the disclaimer out of the way first. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is my opinion on Ravencoin, and this is for educational purposes. If you guys are trying to learn what different stock patterns and chart patterns and all those things are, opinion based, education based, not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Alright guys, let's hop right into it. This will not be my standard chart analysis. There will be some chart analysis here, but Ravencoin is something that I've been a part of the project for a long time. Not a part of as an involved or part of development or anything like that, but I've been following, and I mine the currency, and I've been holding this currency for a long time. Just to kind of show the Raven wallet, my first payout from mining was March 19th, 2018. 2 months after the inception of the coin, January 4th, I believe, of 2018. So, relatively early adoption to this. Please do yourself a favor, if you're not aware of Ravencoin, take a look at the white paper. I don't have time in this video to explain everything, but Ravencoin, in summary, it's a platform. Ravencoin itself is a platform. You take Ravencoin, you burn 500 coins, and you make a token. You can tokenize anything from real world assets, gold bars, land deeds, home deeds, products that you create, art. You can make unique assets for art pieces or wine, or if you're a distillery, you can tokenize your whiskey or whatever the case might be. So real world assets, digital currencies, digital assets, video game currencies, skins, rewards, things like that. This blockchain can do so much because it does one thing, and it does it extremely well. It is a asset tokenization blockchain. So with that being said, we're going to look at this chart here. So this is a week-long chart, and this peak here was on February 2nd, or I'm sorry, February 9th, the week of February 9th. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this pattern. This is a cup and handle, but this one, instead of being a cup and handle, this thing was like a freaking gravy ladle. This thing just went up and up and up. Now, the time frame on this, the big spikes in February of 2021. Ravencoin spiked the day that GameStop tanked. So the Wall Street bets, the meme stock, or the meme stocks, the stonks, whatever they call it, they fell, they tanked, Ravencoin went up. Ravencoin is a solution to the hedge fund problem. Ravencoin is a solution to shorting things, to shorting stocks. To have a hedge fund have 140% of a stock. If 100% is the max, and you have to assume that the CEOs have at least 20 to 30% of their stock value, how can a hedge fund have 140% of said stock? It's not possible. It was on float. It was theoretically there, but not really there. Tokenizing stocks, you could tokenize the entire stock market, and everything would be public ledger, everything would be visible, and there would be no way to short it. There would be no way to fake it. The time frame for Ravencoin for the blocks, 1 minute blocks, so it wouldn't take days for things to get transferred. I could go into a whole nother video about how stocks get shorted, and they could be FTDs, failure to deliver, all those things, how people short and they cheat the system, but could all be avoided if the stock market was tokenized. Alright, what's the importance of this? Sorry guys, I got off on a little bit of a tangent there. The importance of this cup and handle pattern, and this one was a massive one, because on a daily chart, it's doing it again. When you go on a daily, so from February 19th, the peak, the 2877 or 2888 peak. Here's our cup. We're making a handle now. I'm in Ravencoin for the long term. I typically wouldn't make a video for this for a quick trade or quick profit, but I think this is going to go off again. I really do. I think even though Raven right now, the RSI is still high, it's still nearly overbought. Ravencoin proved its use case to so many people, and so many people start researching it when the price went up and they saw the use case. That I think this goes up again. And this is not just on technical analysis. While it does have a strong case in just the technical analysis, I think the coin itself has affected the psychology of the people buying and selling it. So guys, I don't know, I feel like I rambled a little bit on this video, but that's going to be the end of this video. I also want to say thank you so much for all the support. The last video I did, the Cardano video, get huge numbers of views for me for a small channel. 12 subscribers off of that video alone. I want to thank you guys for all the comments, the feedback. I try to leave feedback and respond to comments, even negative ones. If you think I sound like crap or don't know what I'm talking about, feel free to say it. I don't mind. I'll comment with you and I'll talk with you. I'm an adult. I can talk things out. But again, guys, thank you. I want to wrap this up and stop rambling. Take care. Till next time. Peace.